Looky what arrived. What's up everybody and welcome back to my garage. So if you remember my video about my Mongoose bike review, here it sits. I still really like this bike. It's been great, and now that I've tested it out and it's summertime and my wife and I are trying to get more fit, of course, we decided to save up and buy her a bike. This is also a Mongoose bike. This one's called the Mongoose Vinson and it comes in blue. There's a picture right there. These bikes are selling super hot on Amazon right now. My wife's bike was $325 shipped and mine was $333 shipped. Now, her bike was actually sold out when we ordered it, but they just sent us a message that they would ship it whenever it came back in stock. So it took maybe about 3 to 4 weeks to get here, and I have gone back on Amazon and checked it a few times, and it seems like it's sometimes sold out, sometimes they have in stock. If you are interested in this bike and you see it's in stock, I would recommend buying it right away because it's summertime. Everybody wants to ride bikes right now. And these bikes, it's almost impossible to find fat tire bikes of this quality for this cheap. So if that's something you're looking for, I would definitely recommend my bike. I'm about to review this bike. I have a feeling it's gonna be a really good one just based on the experience with my bike and also just because Mongoose is a reputable quality brand. So I'm gonna be building this today. I have the experience of building exactly one bike in my life, and that's that one. This will be number 2, Faith, Family, Fitness, Finance, Fun. We're working on our fitness and we're having a little bit of fun today. Let's build this bike. So I just got it all unpackaged. I haven't even got the assembly part yet, and I'm already even breaking a sweat a little bit. But you know what? I can already tell this is a high quality bike. I love the color, and it does look a little bit smaller than I thought. I will say that. It still looks awesome. It's actually not as different as I had thought. I think maybe just because it was laying down. So my bike's 26 inch. And this is a 24. 26. See that? Alright guys, that is it. We are done. I have finished it. I can already tell I like this bike a lot. Only thing I would say right away, no kickstand. I don't know how I feel about that. And the tires are super flat. So I gotta go fill these, but this thing is beautiful in my opinion. There's a lot of similarities from building that bike and this one. But one thing that was different that I had to actually look up that Mongoose actually had a really good video for on YouTube was that the quick release front brake. So it installs a little different. It's got this lever right here, and you have to tighten the nut and then increase the pressure right here with the lever, and then that's how you get it to stay on. The other one more or less just screws on. So I am gonna go bring this thing over to the gas station and fill it and pump these tires up, and then I'm gonna give it a little test ride. So it's just a little bit short on me. I'm 5'9", my wife's about 5'7", so let's see what she thinks. Otherwise, it gives a really smooth ride. And the tires, like, you know, that's the awesome thing about fat tire bikes is they can handle a lot, so I like it. Woo. All right, now get off and tell us what you think.
Alright, well,
Initial thoughts on this bike.
super awesome, rides really nice, gears are good. I'm 5'7", so it just seems like the seat is just a little bit too short. This is about at its max. We're going to see if we can get a seat extender, but super smooth over bumps. Love the color of it, love the style, fat tire. I would give it overall 4 out of 5. The only knock would be the seat, especially for 5'7" type women.
How tall do you think a person would be to fit this right out of the box?
I would say probably in between 5 foot and 5.5 feet.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If you're interested in this bike, if you want to get it, if you want to get my bike, I'm going to put both of the links below. And like I said, these bikes are selling out fast, so I would get it while you can if it's available. See you guys in my next video.